The LabRAM Soleil, new from HORIBA Scientific, offers SmartSampling, a revolutionary technology enhancing Raman imaging to 100 times the speed while preserving highly detailed spatial information, even for samples with weak scattering. Thanks to SmartSampling's patented approach to mapping, these mask fiber images were captured in minutes rather than hours. SmartSampling's intelligent algorithm begins acquisition at the sample areas with the highest information content and continuously improves along an optimized mapping pathway for incredibly fast, high-resolution Raman images. Simply stop the measurement whenever the desired image quality is achieved. Experience SmartSampling, high-quality imaging in minutes with the fastest and most efficient Raman mapping to date. Made possible by the unparalleled stability of the LabRAM Soleil by HORIBA Scientific.